Are you constantly losing track of all your open files while coding? Tap everywhere, and somehow the one you need is mostly missing. You need to scroll. What if you can pin most of your important files to keep them exactly where you want them to be? So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to pin tab in Visual Studio Code and Cursor IDE. Let's dive in. If you can see, you'll notice that I have so many tags like scrolling left and right. Let's say I want to work with this button file. So I will need to scroll. How to quickly pin it? You need to right click and scroll down to pin. When I click on pin, you will see that automatically it will move it to the first file. So let me pin another one. Let me pin this loader. Pin the loader. It has moved it to the second one. If you want to unpin, you right click on it and come to unpin, or you enter Command K for MacBook. So if you can see, the button file is not longer pinned. So there are different settings. Either you want it fixed or scroll it. Like now, you can scroll with it. So let's come to setting, go to setting. You click on workspace and search for pin. Once you search for pin, you come here, you see workspace editor, pin tab size. So in this pin tab size, you have 3 of them. On default is on normal. And in this normal, a pin tab inherits the look of non-pin tags. That means it's scrollable. And on the compact, the pin tab will show in a compact form with only icon. That means it's only the icon or the first letter of the editor name. And the next one is the shrink. So if I want this pin to be at the top, what I will do is I will come to this workbench editor pin tab on a separate row. So I can pin it on a separate row. When I click on this, you find out that the pin one is on a separate row. So you can also do that on Cursor. Just the same procedure. Come here and click on pin. Once you click on Cursor, click on setting. Cursor, come to setting. You'll see VS Code setting and type pin, search for pin. Come to workspace, choose between compact, string, and then you can make it to appear in a different tab. This is how you can easily pin your tags. Let me hear from you. What is your thought on this?